Access to health care can be hard to find in less populated areas throughout the country, even right here in Missouri. In this edition of Healthy Living, we travel to southeast Missouri to introduce you to a one-of-a-kind doctor and members of a local health department who believe that everyone in the community should have access to affordable, quality health care. Once a month, or about every 4 weeks, for the last 41 years, yes, that's right, 41 years, Dr. Stan Thawley travels about 2 hours from St. Louis to the Madison County Health Department, located in Fredericktown. He's there on a voluntary basis to see his patients who come in for treatment at the Ear, Nose, and Throat Clinic.
Basically, it was started for those who were uninsured or had high insurance or no insurance.
He sees around 20 to 30 patients on the Friday mornings that he comes. There's no cost to the client except for based on the Madison County fee-for-service schedule.
Dr. Thawley is a well-respected specialist in nasal and sinus disorders, and he's been consistently selected by his peers as one of the best doctors in America. He says that coming to Fredericktown is one of the most enjoyable things he could do.
I enjoy all my work, but coming to Fredericktown, I just don't consider that work. It's just a real fun day. It goes fast. I have a lot of helpers to help me.
The program was started under former health department directors in the 1960s. Dr. Thawley has been a part of the program since 1975, making him the longest participating doctor to make visits.
They're very proactive, not only in supporting of this clinic and public relations and having people know about it, but just in general, the way they approach the general health of this county. They're very proactive, and everyone that I've worked here, all the administrators, secretaries, and nurses, it's just a wonderful group of people to work with.
Current Madison County Health Department Administrator Becky Hunt says that he's treated 5 generations of her family.
My grandma, who is 104 and is currently living at the Stockoff Nursing Home, she had childhood history of ear infections, and Dr. Thawley had done tympanogram surgery on grafting. He's done mastoid surgery on her. He's provided sinus and allergy assistance to my dad and myself. He took my son's tonsils out and ear infections for my granddaughter. And so I feel like he has provided that kind of service for all of Madison County, not just for my family.
Dr. Thawley also shares his knowledge and expertise with the team at the Madison County Health Department, making him a valuable resource.
Dr. Thawley is not only a compassionate doctor, he is an excellent teaching doctor. I have learned more in the past 5 years with him about ENT than I ever thought I would. He's very caring, very teaching. He allows me to look at ears, nose, throats, different things. He'll show me the normal, and then he'll show me the abnormal with the patient, which is very exciting for me.
Once the Friday clinic is over, Becky's team makes sure Dr. Thawley doesn't have to travel back to St. Louis on an empty stomach. The practice has become quite a tradition.
When you get 10 or 12 or 15 ladies around, and you get one male here, it makes for interesting conversation. They are a riot at best.
I just enjoy being able to work with him, and he's a wonderful man, and I hope he keeps coming as long as he can.
Thank you, Dr. Thawley. I respect you, not only as a physician, but as a mentor in my life.
And at the end of the day, it's just very enjoyable. You can look back and have a good feeling that you at least contributed something to society, at least for that day. It's my favorite day.
Reporting for the Missouri Department of Health and Senior Services, I'm Brad Bayshore.